In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create HubSpot workflow automation. Whether you're new to HubSpot or looking to streamline your business processes, this tutorial will guide you through creating automated workflows efficiently. First, let's head over to the HubSpot website. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, move to the top right corner of the screen and you'll spot the Login button. Give that a click. If you're like most, you'll appreciate the single sign-on convenience, so go ahead and choose the Sign In with Google option. Select the Google account associated with your HubSpot. Now that you're logged into HubSpot, it's time to dive into automation. Move to the automation section. You can find this in the main menu of your HubSpot dashboard. In this section, we specifically want to focus on workflows, so click there to proceed. Once you're in the workflows section, turn your attention to creating a new workflow. Look to the top right corner for the Create Workflow dropdown. Click on that and you'll see an option for From Template. HubSpot offers a range of templates to make your work easier, and today we'll focus on nurturing relationships. So select the Nurture Relationships tab from the left panel. In this panel, HubSpot provides several templates. For our example, we'll use a popular option, which should be visibly marked as such. After you've chosen your template, click on Use Template to start setting it up. The next step is crucial, setting up the email you want to send. This involves personalizing your message to fit your campaign's tone and purpose. Once you're satisfied that the email reflects the communication message you want to convey, find the Save button at the top left and click it to save your progress. Almost there, just a couple of steps left. Once you've saved your email setup, navigate to the Review and Publish button. Located on the top right corner of your screen, click through the review process. Sometimes HubSpot allows you to speed things up a bit. If you notice an option to skip to turn on, feel free to click there directly. Finally, after you've reviewed and are satisfied with your settings, it's time to make your workflow live. Click on Turn on Workflow, and there you have it. Your HubSpot workflow automation is up and running, ready to start making your marketing strategies more efficient. And there you have it, a comprehensive way to create a HubSpot workflow automation in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to explore further or try out other templates that HubSpot has to offer.